Well, good morning, Kryptonians. It's Crypto Big Boss coming again with another informative video. And as you can see, we've got a little bit of a slump going this morning when we look at coinmarketcap.com. I see we've got a $32,000 Bitcoin. Ethereum's down by about 9% almost. We hit a $2,300 Ethereum yesterday. We had a lot of fun yesterday. I encourage y'all to take a look at those videos because we got to see why crypto, despite all these little ups and downs, is still the best game in town. But today we see slumps between 5 to 10% across the board. But I want to focus in on this Doge coin down 9%, 15% on the week. Okay, and there's an article already out on Decrypt talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Doge prices slumping overnight. I wanted to go and just read a little bit of it to you and then give you my commentary on that. So it says the prices of many of the top 10 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, are sliding today, while NFT platform flows surged by 20%. Almost all the largest cryptocurrencies from the top 10 broke out of their long-drawn price corridors today, but not in the direction their holders were probably hoping. At the time of this writing, the price of Bitcoin has dipped by just 6% in the last 24 hours, dropping to about $32,650 per crypto metric platform Nomics. Meanwhile, Ethereum slid down to $2,180, losing 8.25% on the day. Other major cryptos don't feel so good today either. Oh my goodness. Binance Coin, the fundamental token of the decentralized finance ecosystem developed by the leading crypto exchange Binance, retracted to $316, down almost 5% on the day. Cardano suffered a similar dip to $1.37, down by nearly 4%, whose developer Ripple Labs is still locked in a legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, dropped to 62 cents, down about 6.5%, and Polkadot is down by about 7.67%, trading at $15.58. In its turn, okay, this is what I wanted to hear. Doge has seen the biggest daily drop among the 10 cryptos so far. The meme coin is currently down 8.28% on the day and trades at around 21 cents, judging by the last week. Even tweets from Dogecoin leader, oh my goodness, are they calling him the Dogecoin leader? Elon Musk are no longer able to put wind in the cryptocurrency sales. It's not all red candles though. NFT platform Flow has enjoyed a boost of almost 20% in the last 24 hours, bringing its price to $15.14. Gaming tokens Decentraland and Axie Infinity have also continued their upward trend from yesterday. You know, I love how this article is written. It's a perfect summary of just walking through CoinMarketCap. The only thing missing is, what's on the horizon. Okay, so we've had several videos about institutional investors and how they affect all the currencies, and how when they jump in and out, it's almost like all the water splashing out of the pool and coming back in at the same time. We've had several videos like that talking about this. But what I wanted to focus on is this whole idea that Dogecoin is down 8% and we don't have a real reason. And we know for a fact that currently Dogecoin, the developers are possibly looking at integrating smart contracts into this platform. When we put that video out on this channel a few weeks back, I was just surprised that there were very few comments, and people are not understanding what this means. Dogecoin with smart contracts, folks. Think about it. Think about your website, your business. You can now accept Dogecoin, or your video game that you write can accept Dogecoin. Think about the implication of that. It's no longer a little joke coin. So when I see these 8% drop, I'm thinking to myself, people do not understand what's about to happen. They actually do not understand. Oh my goodness, did I see that? IPFS, do you guys see that at the end of this article? Is a distributed system for storing and accessing files, websites, applications, and data. Decrypt provides snapshot of each article on IPFS. Wow, that's impressive. For those who don't understand what that is, that's the interplanetary file system that basically is based on blockchain technology. Go Decrypt. We'll talk more about that later. But the issue is that we have to understand that there is definitely undeniable capability being derived that utilizes crypto and blockchain technology. These dips are going to happen. These rises, these falls, this roller coaster ride. It is normal, it is healthy, and it is not something that you should be concerned about. You should be more concerned about the development activities and the integration activities by these so-called software developers and these businesses as they continue to try to implement the capability across all of their infrastructures. This is what we want to be watching for. So I'm going to be continuing to research and look for examples of what I'm talking about, instead of looking at just articles like this that are basically saying it's up, it's down, it's up, it's down. Oh, wah, wah. We need to look for articles that are talking about what people are doing with the technology. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I'll catch you on the next one.